Hi, my name is Regina Queen, and I just attended the 7-figure speaker workshop with Adam Flores. I'm telling you, it was amazing. No fluff. He really delivered exactly what he said he would deliver. I have concrete examples of things that I can implement today. Don't miss the next one.
We just got done having a business workshop with Adam, and the best thing I can say about this, if you want to be encouraged, you want to grow, you want to expand your business, you want to increase your revenue, I would say come. What I saw today and what I learned today, just being part of the team, was that there's more to you. There's more what's inside of you. And so I would encourage you that you can do this, you can succeed, and you can take it to the next level. And we are so grateful for today. I would bless this for everybody. So thank you, guys.
Hello everyone, this is Adrian, and I just attended Adam's 7-figure speaking workshop. Sometimes it only takes one nugget to change, transform your business, and mine was the fact that I learned how to systemize a sales process, 7 steps, to actually serve the client, to sell by extending compassion instead of being pushy or salesy. So that was a huge breakthrough that I know is going to bring a lot of sales into my sales business.